Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 Council Bluffs, Iowa, Omaha East. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly, non-smoking rooms and a free parking. This Council Bluffs, Iowa motel features guest rooms with expanded cable TV. Motel 6 Council Bluffs is 8 minutes drive from Henry Dolly Zoo. Guest rooms provide telephones. Wi-Fi is available. Council Bluffs Motel 6 offers guests laundry facilities and free local calls. Motel 6 is 2 miles from Horseshoe Council Bluffs Hotel and Casino and 4 miles from Rosenblatt Stadium. It is 6 miles from Omaha Botanical Gardens and 9 miles from University of Nebraska at Omaha. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.